Okay, hey there. You know something? I just got this in the mail. I went down and picked it up, and yeah, I want to do an unboxing, and I do a lot of filming from my truck and then around my truck. So, what the hell? I'm going to just unbox it right here. You know, I know a lot of people have heard a lot about this Bushman Monopod. Came with a letter. Dear customer, thank you for your trust in Bushman Panoramic Team. We work hard to make the best products available for 360 photo video. We are pleased to let you that you have found what you're looking for. Let us know if the product meets your expectations. Best regards, founder, CEO, Gerald Blondie. And it's actually signed. So anyway, I don't know if you can see it, but this is basically the package. And here's the magnetic mount. And I want to, take a drive here in a minute and play with all this and record it. But there's the magnetic mount. Here's the little, like a Manfrotto style mount. You put the camera on there. And then this clamps and screws down to clamp onto something. See, pretty cool, pretty cool. And it comes with a lanyard and the little screw that goes in the bottom of your camera. 1/4 20, so that you don't lose it, which is cool. And let's see, here I think is this is the little spike that goes in the ground. So you can spike your camera, and it's really cool because it has this hole in it, so that you can stick something through there and push it down instead of pushing on your camera, like a small bolt or whatever, or use it to pull it back out. So that's pretty handy. So I'll set that off to the side. Here's one of the weights, and guys, it's a pretty hefty little guy, pretty hefty little weight. And it comes with another weight, which is hefty. Man, I would guess this weighs, I know it says on the website, but I'd say it weighs a pound or two. So together, and I'll do this manually, one's heavier than the other, and they screw together to become one. Let's go work out, huh? One pretty significant weight. Okay, here's the little tripod that they talk about, and we'll look at wow, here's the actual stick. So there's the screw in the bottom as an example. If you want to stick it on a magnet, you can just screw that on just like that. Boom, magnet mount. Obviously you could attach the invisible selfie stick to it as well. So there you go. The other selfie stick, all condensed, is just a bit longer. Here's the little spike. And the spike, as you can see, goes in the bottom of the stick. It's got the big threads as well. I don't know if you can see that there. So you can put it in the larger size. And then there's your spike into the ground. Now you can support your camera out in the field. Now that's with the invisible selfie stick. Let's go ahead and put the tripod legs on. And then they come out to one click. And then you unscrew this part here, I think. Okay, so there's some slots in there. I don't know if you can, and it goes way out there. So that's way out there, technical term. And then this is sort of out there with it not on a slot. So I guess just two position, way out there and not way out there. So awesome, awesome deal. Obviously this works with any monopod that's got a hole in the bottom. How do we assemble the weights? Pretty basic. Screw the weights on there. Use 1, 2, or 3, and then screw your monopod onto that. Now folks, I don't know, I want to try this out. It's a really windy day out here today, so I want to leave the cover on the camera. That's pretty heavy. That is, I mean, you get hit in the head of that, it's going to hurt. Anyway, so let's take this out in the field somewhere and give it a shot. If you like, subscribe. The link down there. I'm on Facebook as Ted's Planet page, Instagram at Ted's Planet. And then I'm also at Aviator Ted, AV, the number 8R Ted. So anyway, that was a quick unboxing. What a product, man. I am really impressed with this puppy. Alrighty, so let's go play this and see how it works. Okay, in preparation to film from your car, it's pretty easy. Stick the Popeye on the car. It has to be, steel for the magnet. Add the spacer on and put on the camera, and for the most part, you're good to go. And now you'll see the Bushman Claremont V2 mounted onto the Popeye, and that's pretty impressive. And the views, the stitching not the greatest right there, but the views are great. You know, definitely puts you out there, especially for the tiny planet effect. It gives a lot of distance. To clamp this right here on the side of my truck. And so there we go. That's how it's going to ride. And let's see how this works. Cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed my real basic evaluation and tryout and unboxing of this little stick. I'm really impressed with it, and I tell you can't go wrong. Really, really cool tool. Okay, so this is the travel case I have. This Apache I picked up at Harbor Freight, and it's the smaller one, the 3800, and it has a pressure relief valve, and obviously. So anyway, here's opens up. Nice inside. It's got the pull foam. So here I have on the end, I have the Popeye, I have the clamp, I have the large weight, and the smaller weight, the spike, the extension, my selfie stick that came with the 360 for bullet time, the selfie stick handle for bullet time and whatnot, and it's also a little tripod. This kind of comes in handy because I take multiple cameras, so I have multiple ways to mount. Here's the tripod mount for the selfie stick, and then here's where the camera goes, little cubby there, and then I built a little cubby here to hold that, which is really handy for throwing it around your neck, and the charging cables and whatnot. And just to add to the top, since the stick was kind of big, it lays down right across the top like that. And boom, everything I want in one case. When I'm ready to go, I just sit there and show up, open it up, grab the stick, sit there and screw on the, this is how quick it goes, screw that on, excuse me for holding the camera at the same time. Flip it around. Screw this on. Open up the legs. Set it on the ground. And good to go. Obviously, you probably want it a little bit taller for if you're doing like 360 tours, you probably want it eye level. There you go, that's about the 6 foot level right there. Hope you enjoyed my video on the Bushman Monopod V2 package. And what better place to conclude this than from the airport here at McClellan, one of my favorite hangouts. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like what I'm doing, please click subscribe, and I'll be putting more up. Headed to the islands here in a month, and I'll be shooting a lot of video from there, as well as my aircraft videos. Again, thank you guys very much for watching. I appreciate this, and y'all have a fantastic day.